morning. Look at the problem of our AC here. It's always be drifting here. See? The floor. Oh my goodness. It's terrible problem. They already fixed last night. Oh, yesterday. Yesterday. But cleaning. Hi guys. This is the two cleaning our air condition here. Where we are. Mga gwapo man eh. Contact mo ani nila oh. Mga gwapo. They already fixed the other side of the downstairs or the aircon there. They already have it, and then yeah. So thanks that they already fixed this, and I'm so glad that Amanda is already taking care. Dugay ko na nigi-complain ni Amanda. So, karon pagid siya nakakuan. Kahapon si Juan. Oh, kay na-notice naman amo ang kuan nga di tuluay kay. Kay nga sini long among kuan dong ani akong bana non-stop. Okay ra dinhi kay akong gi-stop kay na makabugnaw lang gamay ang electric pan na day akong gipano. Sa kugwanta ng kuan kay anad ba sila. Kita okay ra man ta mga Pinoy kay wala man tay sa unay electric pan. Kaya nato nang walay
kung sa weather, kung sila lahit sila.
Correct. Na ang mga styrofoam diyaw nangakuan.
Mga dako, kung galing ng mama, ang nakita ng agi.
Ductive yapon ma? Okay. Mula lang niya kong live din mag-sing along. Magtanaw ka ng YouTube. Mananaw Pilipino nga episode. Walay lingaw. Hi, salamat. They fixed already this. Thank you guys. Thank you kayo.
Mahuwin akong friend is Marvin and I am Jerry. Shout out ko ninyo tanan.
Sige.
Shout out sana. Shout out.
Go guys. Go. And they are they're working in the Balabag municipality. Dili man siya municipality ba? Barangay only ba?
We are municipal electrician.
Yeah. You're hired. So very good. They're hired. Maintenance for electricity.
Yes.
Yeah. Refrigeration. Air condition. All around electrical. That's the way if you are maintenance. Oh, yeah. Hire them. Sideline for them. Yeah, guys. Sideline. Hello, guys. Just making my shake, mango, and avocado. So, this is my everyday drinks. I need to blend this, guys. More. Here my blended mango and avocado flavor. So yeah, that's simple, guys. This is my drinks, fresh fruits. Walter grilled chicken today. A grilled chicken. Huh?
Turn this one off. It's getting too hot.
Chicken grill. Chicken tonight. Our dinner is chicken. Chicken. I see the chicken is cooked already. Yes, it's already cooked. Here's our grill. Walter make a grilled chicken. So yeah, this right here.